Restorations on the Porta Dei Cornacchini at the Santa Maria del Fiore Cathedral that started in September 2021 are completed. The doorways and surrounding sculptures all underwent works, including in-depth analysis, cleaning and protective treatments. During the restorative works, extensive traces of color were found on this sculpture that was made around 1360. This discovery confirms that the work was originally polychrome. Although tiny marks of color had previously been found on exterior sculptures adorning the cathedral, this is the first time that such extensive traces have been detected, including decoration on the child's garment and a blue-green color on the Virgin's mantle. National degradation and previous restoration interventions must have contributed to the loss of these colors. Investigation showed that there was a layer of brown oxalate in contact with the marble, likely applied during interventions in the 1950s. The brown layer was used as a protective layer. The decision was made to leave the brown layer that presumably contributed to the good state of conservation of the marble sculpture.